Welcome to Amethyst, the healthcare savings card that offers the most comprehensive and affordable online system to manage your medical expenses. We help individuals who are paying out of pocket for their medical care because they received medical funds from an insurance settlement, are uninsured, or have a high deductible. At Amethyst, we offer an effective strategy to lower healthcare costs and to ultimately save you money in the long run. On average, Amethyst members save on their annual healthcare costs. If you received an insurance settlement, there are many complexities and regulations that you must follow and understand. Amethyst simplifies the whole process of managing your settlement, allowing you to relax while we navigate its complexities for you. Amethyst also helps anyone with a Medicare set-aside account by providing all the tools needed to get your required reports to Medicare. Getting set up with Amethyst is easy. By going to portal.amethystcard.com, you can create your free account. You can then effortlessly connect your bank account and the corresponding debit card with our system. This way, you can track your Amethyst discounts and medical expenses that we automatically pay for you. Funds remain in your own personal bank account, no matter what bank you use. This way, you can deposit or take out money whenever you need it. Amethyst provides you with a unique member card that you can carry in your wallet or access on your phone. Your card is linked to your bank account, and with it, you never have to pay out of pocket. Instead, Amethyst pays your medical bills automatically. All bills are sent directly to us, when after applying our member discounts, we conveniently withdraw payments from your account. By simply presenting your Amethyst member card, you will receive treatment with no co-payments for doctor's visits, hospital visits, prescription medicines, and durable medical equipment. The Amethyst portal is also conveniently optimized for mobile, so you can access it while on the go and receive notifications. If at any point you have any questions, you can always contact our friendly support team. At Amethyst, we're here to help you and make sure you get the most out of your money for your healthcare needs. Now you can try all of our benefits for free. Click here to take advantage of our free trial offer and see how Amethyst can help you.